To create a spotlight reveal effect in CapCut, start by adding a default text layer to the timeline. Type your desired text, choose a font that fits your style, and pick a color. Right-click and choose Create Compound Clip. Go to Video Mask and click Add Mask. Then choose the circle mask. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clip, position the circle mask at the left side of your text, and add a mask settings keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and drag the circle mask slowly across the text to the right side. A new keyframe will be added automatically, creating the spotlight movement. To create the spotlight ball, add a new text layer and type a dot. Increase its font size to make it into a large circle and change its color to match your spotlight. Scroll down and apply a glow effect to make the spotlight ball look luminous. Move the playhead to the beginning, position the dot at the left side of your text, and add a position keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and drag the dot slowly across the text to the right side, following the path of your circle mask.